In the mid-'80s, as this digital word started creeping into our vocabulary, it scared us. The idea that digital was going to take over from analog, scanning was going to take away from filming, that was right at the heart of our business. And so we struggled in the mid-'80s to create more of a bundled solution and not just having a unitized piece of film, but also maybe having the camera that generated the film. The company's history is pretty well split into two different businesses. In the early 90s, we moved out of the microfilm world, and I carried on then with the assets that remained. We were in the world of check scanning, and we had a number of different choices, but I always liked the idea of the name of the company telling a little bit of the story. Micro Seal was the micro seal that we had in the aperture. Our genesis of our business was microfilm. So we microfilm documents in the analog world. The world moved to digital, and so we moved from microfilming documents to now scanning or digitizing documents. And Digital Check was exactly what we were creating, a capability of scanning checks digitally.
Digital Check acquired the SmartSource brand and engineering team. From an engineering perspective, it's really exciting to be part of an organization that values the engineering capabilities that the team has and has clear plans and goals to utilize them in the future.
So we're doing a lot of the 3D designs, all of that kind of aspects are done here. Circuit design we have done by our Italy partners. But we brought it in so that we had complete control over designs if we wanted to make a change, whether it's improvement, because there's always things we want to improve in design for cost or efficiencies, or to improve the quality of the product.
Even when they get the scanner, they know it's gone through that quality assurance process. Here are the tests that were performed. Here's a signature of the person who had performed those tests.
Digital Check started out as a family company with very few employees and has grown both organically and through some strategic acquisitions, including the SmartSource line. Digital Check has a little more of a family type perspective, I would say, than say, a Unisys or Burroughs, where it was more the corporate type culture. And really, it's been really excellent.
I love what I do, and I love the company that I work for. The culture that Tom Anderson and Digital Check has created is what keeps me here. I have lifelong relationships with my coworkers. It's not just a paycheck that I'm getting. You're part of the Digital Check family.
The tradition of being committed to relationships, not just a transactionally focused strategy, but being long-term in our relationship. We call ourselves the secure choice, and to me that means a commitment to providing and honoring a trusted relationship with the bank, with the partner, the reseller, with the customer, and with our employees. And so I think that people see us as a long-term trusted partner. The fundamentals of relationships, partnering, long-term vision has been the same from MicroSeal and now Digital Check, and it's going to continue on into the future.
Digital Check has the culture very opposite to corporate culture. I never felt any difference as an immigrant here. They don't limit us. They don't limit our discovery or innovation in different areas. We can float around different departments as well. I chose this. I'm happy about my choice now. And they are growing, so we are growing together.
Focusing on the right thing to do, the good thing for the company, for the customer, and then don't even have to worry about the other stuff.
The way they look at us as the payment industry experts. We've got solution, and within the payment industry, check forms a major part of it.
Digital Check puts people first. And I say that's the one thing that has separated us from the larger corporations that I've worked for, where it was always results first.
Where are we headed as a company? Well, the sky's the limit. I feel confident in saying that our purpose will remain the same, which is to help our customers achieve better results. We're very much interested in continuing to innovate in our existing product set. we're certainly going to diversify into new markets, new products, and our partners should rest assured that we'll continue to deliver for them for many years to come.